the theme everywhere. Nordic is recognized as the #1 company. This year we've had a lot of demos. We've shown the IoT, the cloud solution from Nordic. We've shown Thread. We've shown Bluetooth Mesh. When we're gearing up for the LTE preview on the 22nd of January.
This is a smart house demo where we have several different sensors and controllers wirelessly connected using the Thread network. We can control a TV, alarm, fan, light, door lock, and the door. One thing that is unique with our solution is that our solution can run multi-protocol Bluetooth and Thread at the same time. So we also have an app that is connected directly to one of these nodes, so you can interface with the Thread network from a mobile phone.
The key thing we're doing here is long range. So we have some of the devices are running on Bluetooth long range, and we are tested it inside this inside the hall, and we are getting 50 to 100 meter range, even at the trade show with all the other radio traffic that's going on here. We have tested the same devices outdoors where we run it for more than 1.5 kilometers. With the long range mode in the Bluetooth, you are able to cover a full house without any problems and still have phone connectivity, so you can run both at the same time.
So what we're demoing here is one of our SDK examples. This is the Nordic Health Thermometer service that's connected to the Android gateway. And the Android gateway is connected via Wi-Fi up to the cloud. We're showing here on the laptop, we're showing this device now on the cloud, what it's connected to. As you can see on the user interface that we've developed for NRF Connect for Cloud is really designed for engineers. So we can see the data that's streaming live from this device through the gateway up to the service. We can explore the Bluetooth device internally, all the characteristics and services, and we can download data and see the historical data from the device as well.
Last fall, as you know, the Bluetooth SIG released the mesh standard, and we of course were ready with the implementation of the mesh SDK. And now what we have done is taken the mesh SDK and we've taken our thingy and we've converted each of the thingies into a mesh node. This phone is connected by BLE to only one node. That node is a gateway. So when I send a command, the command goes to the gateway, and from the gateway it goes to all the nodes. Now I can also go and do it for any one node. So let's say I go to the node that I have named HH here. Now I can say, okay, HH, go green. That's the node, it goes green. Or I can turn the LED off, but the rest of them stay on until I give the command.
There's a lot of innovation with our parts. It's been very busy for the team. We've had a high amount of visitors, and we're very thrilled that CES has chosen to name it CES is Blue. It manifests the Bluetooth position.
Hi, I'm Patrick on the filtering team with 3M, introducing our new Filtrete Smart Air Filters that feature a Nordic BLE module right inside that helps you as a user understand when it's time to change your air filter based on actual usage and not just time.
Square Off is a revolutionary chess technology. We're using a Nordic tech inside. You can challenge anyone across the globe on this physical chessboard, or you can play against the board's AI. Basically have a physical board chess game which is actually a computer. So that's how it's working.
Hi, my name is Aveine STRAKA. I'm the Director of Hardware and Manufacturing at MYER, and I'm here introducing the Skin brand. The first product is a skin underwear, and we're using the NRF52 in that. Here you can see the women's bottoms and a bra, as well as the men's boxer briefs up there. We do biosignal monitoring, so we're doing ECG, breathing, skin temperature, bioimpedance, and motion. And we're also showcasing our latest RF wireless charging technology with our partner Energis.
Hi, I'm Aaron Meyer. I work for My Smart Blinds. We're using the Nordic 52832 in our blind product that's behind me. They're tilt blinds that you can control from Bluetooth with an app on your phone.
Nordic has empowered us to really shrink down the size of our electronics to be able to get these really small high-tech electronics on a baby's foot while maintaining good battery life. Our product on the market right now is a smart sock that uses hospital-grade pulse oximetry to detect a baby's heart rate and oxygen levels and strings that up to a parent's smart device.
Hi, I'm Michael from Kopi, and I'd like to introduce you to our HomeKit products that are using all of Nordic's NR52 series components and HomeKit SDKs.
Our product is STRAKA Smart Lock, and we use the NRS52 series in the product. You can use your smartphone to control it. The most difference between other locks, we keep the original lock on the door and we just add our product to it and make it smart. You don't need to disassemble the old lock.
We manufacture fitness tracker. We're the original developer of the software, firmware, hardware, all by ourselves. And we use Nordic chipsets for different series, different versions.
So all in all, we're extremely pleased. Team has delivered great work, and we're going to come back next year and do even better. See you then.